Wow, look at this frog. It's so beautiful with yellow and black skin. Do you know what it is?
It's a poison dark frog. This gives it an extremely bright coloration which is correlated with the toxicity. The more colorful these frogs are, the more poison they have.
Its science name is Dendrobratidae. Most species of poison dart frogs are small, just about 1.5 to 6 centimeters in length. The name dart frog derived from a Native American Indian tribes who used their toxic secretions to poison the tips of their blow darts. The son's name is Hyalinobatrachium rodi. Glass frogs are arboreal, meaning they mainly live in trees and they only come out for mating season. The eggs are usually deposited on the leaves of trees or shrubs hanging over running water of mountain streams, creeks, and small rivers. One species leaves its eggs over stones close to waterfalls.
Something is biting me. Somer, get out of me. Somer, what is this?
Oh, this is a kind of poison ant called the bullet ant. The bullet ant sting is one of the most painful of any stinging insect. Some victims compare the pain to that of being shot, hence the name of the insect.
So now I know it. Get it away.
These creatures distribute in rainforests from Nicaragua and the extremities of Honduras and south to Paraguay. A rite of passage ritual conducted by the Santer Mountain tribe in Brazil includes asking young men to be bitten by bullet ants for 20 times in a day. 24-hour ant, a close relative of the bullet ant, also has an extremely potent sting as well. It can truly hurt you and may cause you to feel maximum pain and may make you feel numb for at least 24 hours. Thus the name. Living in Chile jungles, this cute ant actually is a form of wingless wasp. These insects owe their name from the black and white color. This is why they are also called cow killer, since they are capable of knocking out cow or other animals that are much larger than they are. They also have a tough exoskeleton that helps them while invading their prey's nest and also in retaining moisture, since they mostly occupy dry areas.
Okay, that's enough for the insects. Now let's go and explore the reptiles. Reptiles are theropod animals in class Reptilia, comprising today's turtles, crocodilians, snakes, lizards, and their extinct relatives.
What are we doing here?
First, we're going to investigate the representative feature of the reptiles, the lizards.
The Jesus lizard is also known as the gray basilisk lizard. It comes from the family of iguanas and is an excellent swimmer. Its tail can also act as a whip in times of danger and helps protect it against enemies. An adult Jesus lizard can grow up to 70 centimeters long, thanks to the flips between their toes, which creating a larger surface and pockets of air, giving them the buoyancy needed to run across water. They can run bipedally across water. The satanic leaf-tailed gecko is a species of gecko indigenous to the island of Madagascar. It is an arboreal species that relies on its natural camouflage in northern and central tropical forests of Madagascar. The incredible satanic leaf-tailed gecko is a master of this use, with a body that superbly mimics a dead leaf. Its twisted body, thin skin and tail, which looks remarkably like it has been nibbled at by insects or rotted by decay, all help this reptile blend into the foliage of its habitat. This species has a lot of spines on its head, body, and trunk. You have to admit the armadillo gullet lizard is a pretty cool lizard. They look straight out of Pokemon cartoon shows. Found in South Africa, they have an average size of about 7.5 to 9 centimeters and have a light or dark brown color, which earns them the nickname golden armadillo. These live in rock cracks and crevices, so you will not easily find them, but if you do, and they feel threatened, they will curl up into a ball, taking its tail in its mouth and its thick, swellish scales protecting it. The species is endemic to northern Australia and southern New Guinea. Its common names come from the large frill around its neck, which usually stay folded against the lizard's body. The frill-necked lizard is a relatively large lizard, averaging 85 centimeters, 2.79 feet in total length, including tail, and is kept as an exotic pet. Because of the special bone structure of the fact, opening the frill requires them opening the mouth. Besides that, they also have a very lovable running shape. Can there be a snake with all its scales bite? Yes, the spiny bush viper's resemblance is something very weird. Primarily found in Central Africa, the average length of a snake is considered to be 65 centimeters. Spiny bush vipers are not only to be seen weird, but also very dangerous due to venom contained in them. It's capable of causing pain, swelling, and blood-clotting problems. The most shocking and bizarre fact about this snake is that there's no antevenom found today. Due to rough scales, they tend to climb branches and other vertical objects very easily. The spider-tailed horned viper is a species of viper endemic to western Iran, which was described in 2006. The head looks very similar to that of other Pseudocerastes species in the region, but the spider-tailed horned viper has a unique tail that has a bulb-like end that is bordered by long drooping scales that give it the appearance of a spider. The tail tip is waved around and used to lure insectivorous birds to within striking range. The red-headed agama is one of the most beautiful reptiles on the planet, with a length of 35 to 38 centimeters. This creature mainly lives in Africa. The color of male face and body of a male agama became brilliant at the hottest time of the day. In encounters fighting over territory with enemies, the bodies are more beautiful with bright colors. The contrast between the red face and the blue body makes the animal famous as the Superman lizard.
Wow! The ocean has a lot of beautiful fish. Look at these. But I have to move on for more creatures.
The goblin shark is a rare species of deep-sea shark. The goblin shark has a distinctive long and flat snout, resembling a sword blade. The eyes are small and lack protective, initiating membranes. Behind the eyes are spiracles. The large mouth is parabolic in shape. The goblin shark has been caught in all three major oceans, indicating a wide global distribution. It feeds mainly on teleost fishes such as reptiles and dragonfishes. Given the depths at which it lives, the goblin shark poses no danger to humans. Species of Grimpotudus are assumed to have a worldwide distribution, living in the cold, abyssal depths ranging from 1,000 to 4,800 meters. Species of Grimpotudus face few direct threats from humans, living at depths of 1,000 meters and below. The genus has a distinct habit of swimming. They flap their ear-like fins to propel themselves. Movement of the arms can be used to help the animal move in any direction.
bọ gậy cho nước thêm sạch trong. Hai bơi xinh xinh, các bạn bơi trong bể nước, ngoi lên lặn xuống, các bạn múa tung tăng. Hai bơi xinh xinh, sao mà bơi nhanh thế? Các bạn thấy bọ gậy nên đuổi theo rất nhanh. Các bạn bắt bọ gậy cho nước thêm sạch trong. Hai bơi xinh xinh, các bạn bơi trong bể nước, ngoi lên lặn xuống, các bạn múa tung tăng. Hai bơi xinh xinh, sao mà bơi nhanh thế? Các bạn thấy bọ gậy nên đuổi theo rất nhanh. Các bạn bắt bọ gậy cho nước thêm sạch trong. Hai bơi xinh xinh, các bạn bơi trong bể nước, ngoi lên lặn xuống, các bạn múa tung tăng. Hai bơi xinh xinh, sao mà bơi nhanh thế? Các bạn thấy bọ gậy nên đuổi theo rất nhanh. Các bạn bắt bọ gậy cho nước thêm sạch trong. Hai bơi xinh xinh, các bạn bơi trong bể nước, ngoi lên lặn xuống, các bạn múa tung tăng. Hai bơi xinh xinh, sao mà bơi nhanh thế? Các bạn bắt bọ gậy nên đuổi theo rất nhanh. Các bạn bắt bọ gậy cho nước thêm sạch trong.